All right, for problem number one here, select all triangles that can be rotated to match up with triangle one. Or yeah, triangle one, there it is, the blue triangle. This one is a little bit deceptive because it could be that not only a rotation is happening. So the obvious one that can be rotated is to triangle A. We can see that triangle one can be rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise and it would match up with triangle A. Um, Triangle C is the other answer because it can also be rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise, but then triangle C has also been translated. And that was not very clear in the instructions. Um, However, hopefully a lot of you noticed that. So triangles A and C are the triangles that can be rotated to match up with triangle one.